Welcome to another video of Tech Tweaks from Wildcard. Windows Calculator is strong and powerful, but lacks in some common features. So are you looking for a simple, minimalistic alternative? Today we are gonna mention one better alternative to Windows Calculator, CalcTape. To use this calculator, first open your browser. In the search bar, type CalcTape Calculator and hit the enter button. Now scroll down and click CalcTape Wave. In the next page, scroll down slightly and click on the Windows icon as shown in here. Again, scroll down slightly and click on the download button. After download is complete, click on the app downloaded. Installation will begin. Now press OK. Next, install and finish. The app will open automatically, or you can click on the desktop icon to open it. Now click on the right side of the app to close some unnecessary options. Bring about some changes in the settings, like changing the background or increasing the font size. One calculation is shown here. Look. If the figure is changed, the result changes automatically. You can copy figures from the app and paste it to MS Excel or Word. Another good point is that you can save the calculation and open it later. Cool indeed. That's all for today. Subscribe and follow us for more videos of similar type.